Now we will do the routing. To do the routing, first click on router 5. Then go to static option. Imagine you are sitting here. Your network address is 192.168.1.0. Now you want to communicate with 192.168.2.0. So write it down here. Type 192.168.2.0. Type mask, which is 255.255.255.0. And the next hop. In order to explain it in a proper way, I would say next hop means the door through which you can go to network 2. Now, in this scenario, 12.0.0.3 is the door through which you can communicate with network 2. So we will type here 12.0.0.3. Click add. Same way, you're sitting here in this network. You want to communicate with this network, which is 192.168.3.0. Now, same mask address, subnet mask. The next hop through which you can go to this network is 13.0.0.3. To make it easy to my students, I call these doors. So if you want to go to this network through this door, you can go to this network. So through this port, you can go to this network. So the address will be 13.0.0.3. Add. Now again, you want to go to this network and the address will be 192.168.40. And next hop will be 14.0.0.3. We have connections with all the networks. Now, here is the twist. You can directly communicate with this network. But in order to go to this network and this network, you have to go through these two paths. So we need to not only communicate, we need to not only connect with the network addresses of 3 other networks, we also need to create a connection between this network and this network. How to do that? So you are sitting here. Now the network address for this one will be 13.0.0.0. The network address of this one will be 13.0.0.0. Here, I'll write it down here. 13.0.0.0. Okay. Subnet mask will be 255.0.0.0. Once again, the next hop through this port, you can communicate, you can create a connection between this network and your network through this port. So we will type 12.0.0.3. Add. Once again, this network and the network address will be 14.0.0.0. So click here, type here 14.0.0.0. Same subnet mask, but this time the next hop will be 13.0.0.3 because through this port, you can communicate with this network. So just type here 13.0.0.3 and so these are the network addresses. The next thing we will do is for second network. That's going to be our next task. Let's do it for the second network. Now let's just close this one. Click on the router. Click on static. And now imagine you are sitting in this network and you want to communicate with this network. So first of all, you will type 192.168.1.0. Subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. And through this port, you can go to that network. So you will type here 12.0.0.2. And now you want to go to this network, same way, type 3.0. And next hop will be this one. Through this port, you can go to this network. So it's going to be 13.0.0.3. Now this is another network. You want to go to this network. So type the network address, which is 192.168.4.0 through this port. So it's going to be 14.0.0.3. Through this port, you can go to this network. Same way, you're sitting in this network, you have direct connection with 12.0.0.0, this network. You have direct connection with this network and this network. All you need to do, you need to connect with this network. How to do that? You need to type the network address, which is 14.0.0.0. Subnet mask will be 255.0.0.0. And next hop, through this port, you can go to this network. So it's going to be 13.0.0.3. 13.0.0.3. Through this port, you can go to this network add. So these are going to be your network addresses for network 2. Now let's do network 3 and 4.